Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we got another video, or we got our first Modern Warfare video here on the channel. Basically, what happens is, I use the TAC 56 here, aka the MW3 Scar L. Honestly, I hated this gun at first, but after using this gun in this upcoming gameplay you guys are gonna see, I kind of enjoyed this gun. So, the attachments I got on: over pressured 5.56 plus P, the demo IMP 44 grip, the Echoless 80, the TAC 12 the 12 TAC short barrel, and the TV Cardinal stock. Honestly, this gun so far is the best weapon in pubs, at least in my opinion. I think this gun gets underlooked because the M4 pretty much is dominating the game. So hopefully people can, enjoy the gun, use this gun more. Hopefully it gets a buff, because at times I like people. It feels like I'm just shooting marshmallows, but this gun is quite good. This is one of the second guns I got gold on. And yeah, so I was playing with the party in this gameplay. Hopefully you guys enjoy. And if you guys want me to do a comparison, I'll compare this to the MW3 Scar. Go back on that game, get some gameplay, and then compare it to this Scar. And then, yeah, hopefully they bring back specialists, because, man, the streaks in this game kinda be lacking. Well, except for the SAE, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. And yeah, I'm out. Peace.